Tinubu to the courts. You lack the power to order my impeachment. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for tuning in and listening to the Daily Brief News this morning. Well, the president of Nigeria is telling the court, saying that you lack the power to order my impeachment. Well, President Bola Tinubu has urged the Federal High Court in Abuja to dismiss a suit seeking to compel the National Assembly to initiate impeachment proceeding against him over alleged human rights violations. Well, the suit was filed by legal practitioner Olukoya Ogungbeje and lists the Attorney General of the Federation (AGF) and Minister of Justice Lateef Fagbemi (SAN) as the second defendant. Well, Mr. Ogungbeje is asking the court to declare that President Tinubu's administration committed impeachable offences by allegedly suppressing peaceful protests across Nigeria. The lawyer cited incidents between August 1st and August 10th, 2024, when he claimed security agencies violently clamped down on protesters. Relying on Section 143 of the 1999 Constitution as amended, the plaintiff argued that the National Assembly is empowered to initiate impeachment proceedings against the president based on alleged misconduct. In response, President Tinubu and the AGF filed a joint preliminary objection contesting Ogungbeje's legal standing to file the suit. They argued that the case lacked merit, urging the court to dismiss it for being incompetent and failing to disclose any reasonable course of action. Through a team of lawyers led by Sanusi Musa (SAN), the defendants also challenged the court's jurisdiction, claiming that the suit was not initiated through due process. Well, Ogungbeje did not suffer any personal violation of rights and cannot sue on behalf of unnamed citizens. Section 46 of the 1999 Constitution allows only person whose rights were violated to seek redress in courts. The Fundamental Rights Enforcement Procedure Rules 2009 provide a clear proceeding for filing right violation claims, which the plaintiff allegedly failed to follow. In a counter affidavit deposed by Mima Oladimeji, a principal state counsel at the Federal Ministry of Justice, the government defended Tinubu's administration, saying that it respects democracy and free speech. The affidavit said that August 2024 protests were peaceful and held within a designated location as ordered by a court. It also claimed that security personnel were deployed not to suppress the protests but to protect demonstrators from hoodlums. I know as a fact that the first defendant, that's President Tinubu, has always ensured that law and order are adhered to strictly by the security agencies, Oladimeji said. He further dismissed claims that Tinubu violated his oath and office, arguing that no breach had occurred to justify impeachment proceeding. After hearing all these arguments, Justice James Omotosho adjourned the case to March 4th, 2025, to allow the plaintiff counsel Stanley Ukuma time to respond to the objection raised by Tinubu and the AGF. The legal battle is expected to test the limits of executive power and the enforcement of fundamental rights in Nigeria. And that was what I was said here concerning this headline today this morning. We said that Tinubu to the court, you lack the power to order my impeachment. Well, if you don't know what is going on right now, somebody sued Tinubu to court, and the person sued Tinubu goes by the name Olukoya Ogungbeje. And the list of attorney generals. He sued Tinubu to court, saying that Tinubu suppressed peaceful protest. That Tinubu suppressed peaceful protest back in 2024. You know the end bad governance protest. Well, this man was not lying. If you can remember back in 2024, when the protest started, it was like a 10 days protest. In some areas, APC has bribed some people that if these people want to come out and protest, they should stop them with this and that and this. Like it happened in one of my area in this place. They are threatening people that if you come out and protest, we'll kill you, we'll do this to you, we'll do that to you, we'll do that to that. Is that not suppression? Even some of them that still say that they want to still come and protest, they still even hurt them. Some people human rights was violated that particular day. And this Tinubu's lawyer is saying that this man does not have the right to file a suit against Tinubu since he's not the one that his right was violated. Anybody that says that had his right violated on that particular day should be the one to come and file the suit. That was the statement that just hurt me the most, because people who were protesting don't even have money to eat, talking to file suit against Tinubu. You see, that's the opportunity that all these politicians are using. They know that you are poor. You can't file a suit against them because why will you see the money to file a suit against them? But Tinubu, yes, is guilty of suppressing peaceful protest. Yes, him and his cronies are guilty for suppressing peaceful protest. I don't know how. I don't know what they want to say. Oh, Tinubu is guilty of doing that. Yes, everybody remember what happened on that particular day. In some part of Nigeria. Okay, in Lagos now, look Lagos as an example. Most of the people in Lagos, did they come out to protest? No, they didn't come out to protest because they were threatened. Especially in my area, they threatened everybody saying that if you come out and protest, so this will happen to you, this will happen to you, this will happen to you. Nobody protest. It even got to the time that they say they're going to do Oro on that particular day. People are now like, is it on the day gone that want to protest that you people say you want to do Oro? You see, Tinubu is smart now. Under the comment section that I have here, Joshua Akeron says that T-Pain is not above the law. I know Tinubu is not above the law. That's why I want Tinubu to answer for the crime he did. But Udo Aluzo said that Tinubu is not going anywhere. He will complete his 8 years. He should try and remove INEC chairman so that what happened to Jonathan will not happen to him. Well, what happened to Jonathan before? Is INEC chairman not working for Tinubu? All of them are the same thing. So what are you saying here? Sophia Ahmed says that yes, correct. They lack power indeed. That is it. That's just it. They lack the power to remove him. But one day, not he will not stay there forever. That's the point. He won't stay there forever. All this thing that he's doing, he's just doing it at this point in time. He won't stay there forever. Well, Cruz Uba said that the fact the leaders of the group that led August 2024 nationwide protests, including Mr. Shore and Mr. Yusuf, are presently in prison are indications of clamping down on protesters, which is a violation of their constitutional rights and gross misconduct, and are all impeachable offences. Which is true. Oh yeah, the people who led the protest, Shore and Mr. Yusuf, where are they now? They're in prison for what? Tell me for what? For leading protest. Is that not an impeachable crime? I mean, is that not an impeachable crime? I was saying that Tinubu is. You can see this is what he's doing that people don't like. They should impeach and let Nigeria live in peace. I beg. Yes, all the innocent youth that the security operative shot to death that particular day, all the minors Tinubu charged to court for treason. Okay, was that not an impeachable crime? Yes, all the minors that they were demanding 10 million naira bail condition after they have spent like 3 months in prison. Yes, they were citizens of Nigerians who that were protesting. All those minors that they arrested said that they are committing impeachable um, treason. They all sustain injuries and they all have names. So the plaintiff have every right to sue the government on behalf because they represent the collective voice of Nigerians and the National Assembly ought to initiate an impeachable proceedings. That's it. That is just the point. The leaders of the protests are in prison. All those boys that they arrested, they say they wanted to kill them. Is that not is this not an impeachable crime? What do you guys think? Tell me, drop your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. Then tap the subscribe button as we go down with the notification bell. So anytime I have any new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Once again, thank you for tuning in and have one for the ahead of you.